Hey Susanna, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke earlier and I told you that I was going to be sending you over the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, go through one of your competitor sites really quickly, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on your home page, which actually looks really good. It looks very professional. However, it doesn't seem like there is a lot of content on here. And so Google is actually going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. And so you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. Right now, you guys actually have 419 words. So we definitely want to add some more content in here, and we want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots, and they're going to crawl through the site, and they're going to determine whether or not the content on it will help their users find the information or the services that they're looking for. Also, in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of high volume, relevant keywords. So over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword that I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Savannah GA. This is a really great keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. And so if you were to convert just a few of these into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so underneath the search bar is typically where we're going to see our Google ads. There are none popping up right now, but Google ads are actually a really great way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, you can actually waste a lot of money on them. But if they are done correctly, you can definitely get things moving a lot more quickly. And so underneath where the Google ads would usually be, right here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so you definitely want to be up here if you can. It's great because it gets you at the top of the first page. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. Those are all really good examples of high powered, highly used, and highly trusted directories. So you want to be on as many of those as possible, and you definitely want to be on more of them than these three guys. And getting up here is becoming more and more relevant as more people are searching for things from their phone. And so right here, we have our organic search results. And so this should definitely be the main area of focus. It's your best return on investment long term. And that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these organic search results right here. And so this is the first company page that pops up. So I actually did a word counter search on them as well, and they actually have 953 words. So although they have more than you have right now, they don't even technically have enough for Google standards for their bare minimum. So it would be very easy to beat them out content wise. However, the main way that you're going to get up here is through backlinks. And so a backlink is just when you get a shout out from another website. And so you want these backlinks from high powered, relevant, and highly trusted websites. So, for example, a local plumbing company or construction company, if they were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring in some power for you guys. And so over here, I've hopped on to Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest getting it. It is a little pricey. It runs me at about $400 a month, but it gives me a lot of great information. So right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and we can see that they have 509 backlinks from 103 referring domains and are ranking for 1,000 different keywords. So here I can actually take a closer look and see what keywords they are ranking for. We can take a look and we can see right here which keywords they're ranking for, how many people search for that keyword a month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic they get from it. So we can go through and see which ones are applicable to your business, bring in the most volume, and we can choose to incorporate those into the content for your website. And so now I'm going to go back. I can actually do the exact same thing that I just did for the keywords with the backlinks as well. So right now it's saying they have 509 backlinks. We want to get a lot more than they have to blow them out of the water, which is definitely doable, but also keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to completely blow all the competition out of the water. But so we can go through here and we can pick the backlinks that have a high DR domain rating, and we can make sure to snag those for your sites, and then we can look elsewhere to find the rest, because we don't only want to get more backlinks than they have, we want to get higher quality ones as well. And so before I wrap this up, I just wanted to take a look at your site. And so right now you guys have 22 backlinks from 9 different domains and are ranking for 225 keywords. So we can actually really quickly see what keywords you are ranking for. But right away we can see that you could definitely use some more backlinks. So right here, right away, we can see that a lot of the keywords you're ranking for actually have your name in them already. So if someone didn't know who you were when they were searching and were already looking for you, it would be harder for them to find you. So to recap, what we talked about is number one, we want to get more quality educational content with an appropriate amount of relevant, high-powered keywords. Number two, we want to get more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want more relevant, high-powered backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out to me. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.